Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Approach the nesting area quietly and move fast but calmly because cold eggs can chill quickly. Use the spotlight at 45 degrees to cast shadows into crevices while avoiding direct glare into hen's eyes. Once done, sweep the immediate perimeter with the small mirror to reveal hidden depressions under straw and snow. Make sure to keep tools in one hand and probe only gently. Pressure cracks eggshells. You will find contours, not colors, so focus on shape and shadow. Now continue by zeroing in on the core detection method. Systematic grid sweeps under the spotlight, using short 30-60 second pauses to let your eyes adjust and reveal faint oval shadows. When you spot a candidate, approach slowly and use the soft grabber or cupped gloved hand. Lift with a single steady motion to support the entire shell. After lift, place the egg immediately into an insulated container at 35 to 38 degrees Celsius to stabilize. Sudden temperature swings cause condensation and damage. Finish by cataloging each egg. Mark time and precise nest position so you can monitor viability and detect patterns. Once stabilized, return undamaged eggs to secure, warm nesting if hens are calm, otherwise incubate. If an egg cracks, handle quickly, wrap in a dry towel, keep warm, and follow hatch or dispose guidelines within 1 to 2 hours. Contamination risks increase fast. For troubleshooting, if visibility is poor, shift the spotlight angle. Reduce snow cover, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.